Secondary activities. Introduction. Procedures used for transformation of raw materials obtained from natural resources into finished goods are termed as secondary activities. For example, cosmetic industry uses ingredients or components extracted from nature. For processing, they are mixed chemically with various ingredients, with which products such as shampoos, creams, lipsticks, lotions, among others, will be obtained. We cannot use iron ore directly from the mines. It can only be used after it is converted into steel, and later it can be used for making many valuable machines, tools, etc. Therefore, secondary activities are important for manufacturing, processing, and construction industries. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials, components, or parts into finished goods that meet a customer's expectations or specifications. Manufacturing commonly employs a man-machine setup with division of labor in a large-scale production.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.